Okay. No, no, we just let the fish here. Okay, pull up. Nice catch. Dang. You must have a lot of fun, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. What kind of fish is that?
A sharpie.
Sharpie.
I don't know.
Okay, good one.
Wait, what's it called again?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know.
Alright. You unhook it.
Huh?
Unhook it.
Does he bite?
I don't know.
I don't want to unhook it. Ah!
What?
What am I supposed to do?
Unhook it.
How?
Tua này lúc mau chê mà đi à.
Does he bite?
Nó nó bite. Alright, I'll help you then.
Another one.
Another one. Not a sharpie? Hey. Wow. Dang, you. How's that? Cool? Alright. Okay, now you do the same thing I told you.
What? No. Oh,
Put your finger in the gill.
in here?
Yeah.
It's not coming out.
What?
Ew.
Just stick in there.
Okay. Ah!
Alright.
It's in there.
What?
It's stuck in the mouth.
Oh, it's stuck in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like you already swallowed it.
Oh, okay. I helped you then. Alright.